Hello, Kosta here. As usual, I am observing and touching about the most crucial questions in regards to Fintech technologies, and for this video I would like to talk about how to get a point-of-sale terminal or card machine or credit card machine if you want for yourself, for your business, how to use it, how to set it up, and how to do not violate the law. Let's go and let me tell you about. So, let's consider you want to obtain something like this to accept contactless payments, chip and pin payments, swipe payments, etc. from iPhone, Android devices, etc. to print receipts. First of all, you need to have a limited registered company with a proper address. So then you should go online or explore kind of yellow pages in terms of phone numbers of companies which supplies these machines. I'm not talking about a particular device. I'm talking about a wide range of devices with rubber buttons or Android ones. It doesn't matter. First of all, you need to find your potential supplier. The second point is going to be you have to submit an application form. It doesn't matter how you're going to do it, via a phone call or via online, purely digital, doesn't matter. First of all, you will be required to provide a quite comprehensive application form. It's because these guys who will try to help you to obtain this machine, they will submit your application on behalf of you to a level of bank acquirers, or simply talking acquirers. It means when you are applying for getting a machine, you are not talking about just pushing the device and starting accepting payments. No, it's not only about just choosing the right partner and to whom you would like to pay, no, 200 or 300 quids for the device for as one-off fee, or probably you would like to go with a subscription model and pay from 15 to 35 quids a month in addition to your transactional fees, etc. The point is, as the second step, your application will be submitted to a list of bank partners or bank acquirers. Those who would like to serve you as a business with acquiring services will get back to you with sometimes with an offer in terms of interest fees. It could be like a very explicit terms, let's say for domestic debit and prepaid card, it's going to be, let's say, this exact rate of fee. For international Visa and MasterCard cards is going to be this rate. For International American Express going to be that rate, that fee, etc, etc. But for some companies are keen to provide a blended rate. It means you'll get just, let's say, one transactional fee, or let's say two transactional fees. Let's say if you'd like to go with the modern POS providers, they will offer you something between 1.65 to 1.8% as a blended term for, let's say, for the majority of cards, but they would like to add 1% or something like this on top for international cards and business cards. That's how it usually structured and worked. But sometimes again you can get a quite detailed plan in terms of what card is going to be presented at your machine. In terms of the card machine usage, let's imagine you've got your machine, it's nice, it's up and running. You don't need to do much with the machine, just switch it on, register, or just confirm your signature or unlock it, and start right away to use accepting card payments. I wouldn't say it's a big deal at all, but to do not violate the law, just to bear in mind, it's restricted by the law if you will get the machine in the UK or in Europe and you want to send this machine physically to countries, to foreign countries, to, let's say, to Iraq, Iran, or even Canada, and provide your friend with an opportunity to accept payments. This is exactly the breaking the law thing. You cannot do this. If you receive the machine, you are fully responsible of charging the merchants who will pay, and they must pay directly for your products or services at the location that, let's say, will be allocated or linked to the machine as your physical brick-and-mortar location for usage machine. For courier and delivery services, this is kind of a different story, but again, those machines, I would say quite modern card machines, are equipped by GPS tracker. That's why some providers will apply geo-fencing and geographical boundaries of using the machines. That's why you can just open up your brick-and-mortar shop or hair salon and accept payments. It's impossible to do some weird things or sniff someone else's cards. Now it will not work so. It's because you will be fully responsible of accepting payments. Just bear it in mind. Thank you.